Hi friends! Today we're making pretend ice cream with Play-Doh and learning colors. Are you ready? Let's scoop, squish, and say the colors together. First color, red. Red, red, red. I roll a big red scoop. Can you say red? Red. Plop. Red scoop on the cone. Next is yellow. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Bright like the sun. I press a yellow scoop. Can you say yellow? Yellow. On the cone it goes. Now blue. Blue, blue, blue. Cool like the sky. I squish a blue scoop. Say blue with me. Blue. Here comes green. Green, 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 like grass. Press, press. Green scoop. Can you say green? Green. Let's try orange. Orange, orange, orange. I twist and roll an orange scoop. Say orange. Orange. Purple time. Purple, purple, purple. I make a purple swirl. Can you say purple? Purple. Now pink. Pink, pink, pink. Soft and sweet. I pat a pink scoop. Say pink. Pink. Let's stack them high. Cone on the bottom. Red, yellow, blue, green, orange, purple, pink. Wow, a rainbow cone. Color check. Point to red, red. Point to yellow, yellow. Point to blue, blue. Mix and match time. Red plus yellow makes orange. Tap your nose if you said orange. Blue plus yellow makes green. Clap, clap. Red plus blue makes purple. Yay! Let's make sprinkles. Sprinkle, sprinkle, dot, dot, dot. What color are your sprinkles? I see red sprinkles. I see blue sprinkles. Ready to serve? One rainbow cone, please. Here you go. Let's say the colors one more time. Red, yellow, blue, green, orange, purple, pink. Great job, friends. Remember, this ice cream is pretend. We don't eat Play-Doh. We play, learn, and share. Thanks for making colorful ice cream with me. See you next time for more color fun. Bye-bye.